Double-hung window installation in Houston is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Our professional window installers in Houston ensure a seamless installation process, providing you with the best double-hung windows Houston solutions tailored to your home's needs. With our window installation warranty, you can rest assured that your investment is protected. Energy-efficient windows in Houston TX are essential for reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Our energy-efficient window options are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Experience significant window energy savings with our top-of-the-line insulated window options. Houston Window Replacement Services offer a wide range of custom window solutions to meet your specific needs. Whether you're looking for vinyl double-hung windows Houston or other styles, our residential window services in Houston provide the perfect fit for your home. Our window style consultation helps you choose the best design options for your property. Window replacement experts in Houston are ready to tackle any issues you may have with your current windows. From double-hung window replacement to window glass replacement, our team provides comprehensive window maintenance services to keep your windows in top condition. Trust our window sealing services to enhance your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Vinyl double-hung windows Houston are a durable and cost-effective choice for homeowners. These windows offer excellent insulation and require minimal maintenance, making them a popular option for those seeking affordable window solutions. Our window hardware upgrades ensure your windows operate smoothly and securely. Houston window frame upgrades can transform the look and performance of your windows. Our window design options in Houston allow you to customize your windows to match your home's style while improving functionality. With our window weatherproofing services, you can protect your home from the elements and reduce noise pollution. Double-pane windows in Houston provide superior insulation and noise reduction, making them an excellent choice for urban environments. Our window noise reduction solutions help create a peaceful and quiet living space. Enhance your home's security with our window security enhancements, designed to keep your family safe. Window glass replacement in Houston is a crucial service for maintaining the clarity and efficiency of your windows. Our window sash replacement services ensure your windows operate smoothly and look their best. With our window maintenance services in Houston, you can extend the lifespan of your windows and improve their performance. Insulated window options in Houston are perfect for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Our professional window installers in Houston provide expert installation of these windows, ensuring maximum performance and longevity. Experience the benefits of reduced energy bills and increased comfort with our insulated window solutions. Window style consultation in Houston helps you select the perfect windows for your home. Our team of experts guides you through the process, offering advice on the best window design options to suit your needs. With our custom window solutions in Houston, you can achieve the perfect balance of style and functionality.